Hi, my name is Doug. I'm from the US and I'm 34 years old. My hair loss journey started when I was probably in my early 20s. I had a bunch of buddies that used to rag on me about my hair thinning and kind of always thought it was a joke because it kind of runs in my family. Until one day I saw a picture of myself and then realized how shiny my head was, and over the last decade it's kind of just progressively gotten worse. I had a buddy whose cousin came to Hair of Istanbul and spoke very highly of you guys. I had done a bunch of research online and came across you as well, and kind of took the leap of faith from what he had said, and then came here, and you guys had white glove service, and it was pretty phenomenal from the start, from picking us up from the airport to checking us into the hotel to bring us here, and again, just a very welcoming staff. I thought the procedure was very easy. I was expecting the worst, thought it was going to be very painful, and then as they do the injections with the anesthesia, you literally don't feel anything. Pretty long process. I guess fortunately for me, I slept the whole thing. But yeah, it was pain-free. Afterwards, the first night really wasn't bad. I don't feel any pain the next day or two, and I couldn't have been more pleased with the whole procedure. I would say if you're contemplating getting a hair transplant, you should definitely come to the Hair of Istanbul. Again, it's, they take care of everything for you, from the white glove service to the delivery. They're very professional. I think it's too early to tell for me personally how the hair comes out, but from what I can tell, it looks pretty amazing.